So here is how the investigators are now looking at a scandal unraveling, perhaps connecting countries too. It's not just about the starlet's arrest anymore. Is there an international layer to this smuggling nexus with regard to even Dubai and Malaysia possibly will be under the radar of DRI? Take a look of, are we looking at an international racket here of gold smuggling into India?
The web is unraveling in the Karnataka gold smuggling racket. And the noose is tightening on an international smuggling nexus. Two accused, actor Rania Rao and her friend Tarun Raju, are in the custody of the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. Tarun is a Karnataka hotelier's grandson and is suspected to be the racket's co-conspirator. Sources say Rania's phone calls to Tarun helped the DRI nail him down. Sources say the two go way back as friends, but despite strained ties later on, they allegedly kept the smuggling operation going. Tarun allegedly helped Rania carry out the Dubai operation. The probe is deepening. Dubai and Malaysian contacts were found on Rania Rao's phone, triggering speculation she may have been involved in an international ring. While the spotlight is back on Rania Rao's DGP stepfather Ramachandra Rao, the Karnataka government ordered investigations by two different agencies. First, the CID will be probing the DGP's stepfather's role in the racket. The next investigation will be against Ramachandra Rao's role in protocol violations at the Bengaluru airport, and finally against the police personnel who aided Rania's smuggling by violating all protocol. Whether Rania Rao had any help from political or police influence is under investigation. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar dismissed the BJP's charge of a Congress minister's role as political gossip.
Some of the senior ministers are fully supporting Rania Rao. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah must have also got the information. So my demand is, Mr. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji, please disclose the name of the ministers who are involved in this gold smuggling case.
Connection in what context they're blaming that we have got connections, I really don't know. Smuggling is a different case, and if it's anything related to smuggling, if there is any nexus, the investigation agencies have come in force. So we'll have to wait and watch.
International smuggling nexus, the DGP stepfather's role, politicians and finally the police. The stakes are high in this gold racket probe. Bureau Report, India Today.